Okay, so I've stopped here on 108. We're going towards Nevada. And I turned on the camera because I always forget. But this time I have not. And we're going to get a little video. Strap in and enjoy the ride. This is a great road. You got to be careful on it. There's a lot of increasing radius corners and blind corners, and hills that you got to make sure that there's nothing on the other side, you know. So if you ride this, you know, just ride it casual, enjoy the scenery, because you never know what's laying in the road or going to be around the corner. So, and you can't really, you know, peek at the creek if you're riding too fast. Plus you got all these campers, and it is Sunday after all, and everybody's going to be packing up to leave, so you got to be mindful of that. On these mountain pass roads, you got to be aware that there could be debris in the road. Usually gravel and you know, pine cones and stuff like that. And if you're baking through this road and you're in the middle of a corner and you hit a patch of that, well, that could get pretty exciting in a hurry. So ride your ride, man. Some of these brakes were getting hot. One thing you gotta love and hate about a motorcycle is you could smell everything, good or bad. See, something like that, we've met somebody right in the corner, and if I was real close to that double yellow trying to hit the apex, that could have been trouble, especially if he was on the other side. So mountain roads, you got to stay in your lane, and usually that means far away from the center, unless you could see oncoming traffic and there's a clear lane. Then by all means, you know, you could cut the apex a little bit, but can't see what's coming, give yourself a wide lane in case somebody just messes up. Like that guy, see that? Over the double yellow. No reason other than it's a increasing radius corner and he wasn't ready for it. Thing is not to get mad at these people. Just be ready for them. Beautiful mountains. I don't know if you guys can see that on the camera. It's up pretty high. Hopefully it'll come through. But man, do I love granite mountains. Used to camp in this area a lot when I was a young man. We're now at 8,000 feet and climbing. Really nice section. So that hill right there, you couldn't see over the top of it. You wouldn't know if there was a deer on the other side, a car, a person. So don't come in those mountains, or little hills rather, blind, because stuff could happen in a hurry. There's all kinds of gravel in this road today. That little corner snuck up on me. Over a rise, right turn. You gotta be ready for that. Nice view to the left. The camera's trying to pan over that way, and it'll probably get blocked by all the trees. You might get a glimpse of it. A little meadow out there. Camera tends to flatten these things out, so you just got to ride this road yourself. 108 from the California side to Nevada side. Great ride. Wouldn't say it's necessarily for novices. You got to have a little bit of skill, because some of these corners will sneak up on you. Boy, I tell you what. So you got to be looking far ahead. Know where the road goes, or else. Tagline for this video: slow your ass down. To the left here, on the other side of 108, there is a military complex, and I always forget the name of that, so if you guys know what the name of this military complex is, put it in the comments. Man, it looks like it's kind of deserted. I wonder if they even still use this. Not a whole lot of water in the Walker River this year. Known for its great fishing. Cutthroat trout. And I believe they also plant that with rainbows and some other native species. Haven't fished that river in forever. I'm going to have to bring a pole with me next time around. Here we are at 395. This is where it gets boring.